Hi, I Rahul welcome you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Pan Vision. First, the news headlines from abroad. 42-year-old Isaac D'Souza of Mudabelle killed in Dammam road accident. Wilson Oliveira steals the show at KVWA's 6th annual day. Upcoming singers regale the audience at KCO Talents Day. UAE Amchikele Samaj celebrates Talents Day. News headlines from Mangalore. Natyanjali dance program draws huge crowd at Kala Sangam 2007 held at Gitanjali. State level Children's Science Congress begins at Pelikula. And in our entertainment program, watch out for the 12th episode of Konkani super hit play Tom Makanaka. News in detail. In a fatal accident that took place at Rafaya in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, 42-year-old native of Mudabelle in Udpi, Isaac D'Souza, was killed on Monday, November 12th. 42-year-old Isaac D'Souza, a native of Mudabelle in Udpi, who was working in Saudi Arabia, was killed in a fatal accident at Rafaya in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on Monday, November 12th. Isaac is survived by his wife Susan D'Souza and 2 children. The accident occurred when a tanker coming from the opposite direction hit the ambulance driven by Isaac on Monday morning. Isaac was carrying 2 dead bodies on his ambulance at the time of accident. Isaac succumbed to the injuries on the spot. Isaac was supposed to come home on holidays as shortly as on Friday, November 16th. He was killed in the accident just a day before he could leave Saudi for his native on holidays. Kuwait Varado Welfare Association is one of the leading associations of Catholics working in Kuwait. KVWA turned 6 recently. To celebrate the occasion, the association organized Children's Day and Wilson Oliveira Konkani musical concert on Friday, November 16th at Kuwait Sea Sports, Ras Salmiya. Kuwait Varado Welfare Association, led by its ever-cheerful president Nancy Menezes, celebrated the 6th anniversary on November 16th at the Kuwait Sea Sports, Ras Salmiya. The association celebrated Children's Day on the occasion. Wilson Oliveira Konkani musical concert was the main attraction of the anniversary celebration. Executive committee members Raina Krasta, Navin Mendonca, Nelson Mendonca, Merchant Dias, along with the president Nancy Menezes, lit the lamp and inaugurated the program. Popular Konkani singer Zina Pereira from Mangalore and Wilson Oliveira from Kundapur, who flew to Kuwait to present the concert, enthralled the audience. Local artists Jason D'Souza, Gladys Lorena and Giuliano De Mello also joined Wilson Oliveira and Zina to entertain the audience during the program. Father Melvin and the First Secretary of the Indian Embassy, Alok Kumar, were the chief guests. Vice President Donald Mendonca was present. Walter Nandalike, the editor-in-chief of Daijiworld.com, was honored for getting the people worldwide united through his website and for his contribution to the promotion of Konkani language. As he was not able to attend the program, Wilson Saldana of Daijiworld.com Kuwait received the memento on his behalf. The proceeds of the program were dedicated to the needy children's education back home. Every community has the responsibility to encourage the upcoming young talent of their community. In order to promote the budding young artists, Konkani Cultural Organization Abu Dhabi organized Talents Day on Friday, November 16th. This time the stage was provided to the talented young singers to exhibit their singing talent. Konkani Cultural Organization Abu Dhabi conducted Talents Day 2007 on Friday, November 16th at Sudanese Club Abu Dhabi. This time the Talents Day was held to give an opportunity to budding Konkani singers. There was also a fancy dress competition. The well-chalked-out event by the KCO members had an overwhelming response by Mangalorean Konkani-speaking Catholic community throughout the UAE. Jonathan Rego, a renowned compere of Abu Dhabi, compared the event. KCO President Robert Rego, Secretary Lina D'Souza were present. UAE Amchikele Samaj too held Talents Day. But this time the Talents Day was held to promote the hidden talent of adults. Grown-ups crossed the age barrier and exhibited their skill at the Samaj's first Adults Talents Day held on Friday, November 16th. UAE Amchikele Samaj, an organization of Gaura Saraswats, celebrated its first Adults Talents Day on 16 November 2007 at the Indian Consulate Hall, Dubai. Amchikele Samaj has been organizing Children's Talent Day for the past 2 years. But this year they thought of bringing forth the talents of adults as well. Subhash Shanbhog, the president and secretary of the Samaj, Shailesh Shenay, vice president Ramachandra Hegde were present. The competitions were held for mono acting, Jodi Jugalbandi and karaoke singing. The entire program was anchored by children and the audience was surprised and thrilled by the confidence and perfection with which they anchored the show. The 350-strong audiences enjoyed the performances. Shailesh Shenay and Mrs. Aruna Kamath, along with Ajit Naik, Mahesh Prabhu and Gopal Prabhu, coordinated the event. Since Saturday, November 10th, Gitanjali Auditorium in Mangalore has borne a festive look. Students and adults crossing the age barriers throng the auditorium every day to participate in the competitions held by Mangalore Musical and Cultural Association. On Friday, November 16th, people participated in large number at the Natyanjali dance competition held as part of Kala Sangam 2007. On Friday, November 16, the 7th day of its annual fest, Kala Sangam 2007, Mangalore Musical and Cultural Association organized Bharatnatyam and folk dance competition. Students as well as adults, including housewives, bank employees, teachers and senior citizens, presented Bharatanatyam solo and folk dance. Participants crossing their age barriers danced and made the event successful. Well, it seems Kala Sangam has thrown up an opportunity for the adults to exhibit their talent. It's time for me to take a break. We have a story on the ongoing Children's Congress at Pilikula. So don't go away, I'll be right back.
Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರವು ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Welcome back. Following the revolution in the field of information and technology, the interest among the students in taking up basic science has dwindled over the years. The 15th State-Level Children's Science Congress, which is a 3-day event, has kindled hopes among the scientists and science teachers that some of these young enthusiasts would take up science seriously.
The 15th State-Level Children's National Congress for High School Students was inaugurated by Professor K.M. Kaverappa, Vice-Chancellor of Mangalore University, on Friday, November 16th at Pilikula Nisargadama here in Mangalore. Around 1,000 students representing different districts of Karnataka are participating in this conference. The children have so far demonstrated the models pertaining to various successful agricultural experiments that have taken place in their respective districts. A snake show was held at Pelikula on the occasion in which students and teachers participated with great zeal. The members of Animal Care Trust Charles, Satish, Lastamahesh, Dinesh and Jayaprakash Bhandari displayed various species of snakes and explained their characteristics. When the python was brought onto stage, the students and teachers rushed forward to touch the huge python. Later, a question and answer session about the snakes was held, in which the instructor had tough time answering the umpteen number of questions raised by the over-enthusiastic children. Speaking to TV Daijiworld, Dr. K.V. Rao informed that the central theme of this year's Science Congress is biodiversity. According to him, Pilikula is known for its activities in connection with biodiversity. Therefore, this location has been selected, he said to TV Daijiworld.
Theme given this year is biodiversity. Pilikula believes in conservation of biodiversity, and this conservation of biodiversity theme fits very well into our programs also. And Karnataka Rajya Vijnana Parishad, which is the nodal agency to conduct the programs at the state level, requested us to find out whether a chance would be given to all the students from all the 32 districts of the state to come here and see what Pilikula is. The main focus is the children and their interest in science, how to cultivate it, what are the qualities of the work that has to be done by them during their free time, summer vacation or midterm vacation, and then how a scientific method works, like collection of data, like analysis of data, like formation of hypothesis, and then finding the solution to the local problems based on the theme given by NCSTC.